What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. And today we want to set you up with 2 money-saving challenges that you could potentially do this year to get your money up, pay down debt, build your emergency fund, and just straight up save more cash. Why not? Got 2 challenges for you. Let us know which one you're going to choose. If you think about it, guys, money-saving challenges are important because it's a fun, easy way to save money. Over 55% of Americans have less than $1,000 in their bank account. So we're going to put you guys on the right track to at least get $1,000 or more in your bank account if you follow these 2 challenges.
Alright guys, our first challenge is called the envelope method. So what you're going to do first, guys, you're going to get you 100 envelopes. Alright guys, you have your envelopes. Now you're going to label each envelope 1 all the way to 100. Alright guys, and what you're going to do is each day you're going to match the number with the dollar amount. So if it's day 15, you're gonna put 15 bucks in that envelope. If it's day 63, you're putting $63 in that envelope. And if it's day 69, you're gonna put $69 in that envelope, guys. That's a great number, but guys, make sure you're doing this because this is a great savings technique. If you do this with 100 envelopes, you will have saved $5,050 that year. You can also do this with 200 envelopes and save double that. That's $10,100 you would have saved in a year. Guys, try out this technique. It's beneficial. It will help you save money if you have problems saving money.
Here's the pros of this challenge, guys. It gets you used to saving money, but it doesn't feel daunting because it's only $1 a day, $2 a day, $3 a day, $4 a day, so on and so forth. So since the amount is so small, you're 10 times more likely to stick with it. So this is why we recommend this challenge first, the envelope method. This next challenge, guys, is called the 52-week challenge. It's not as aggressive as the first challenge, but at least you're gonna save $1,000 that other 55% of Americans don't currently have. What you're gonna do is get envelopes and label them week 1 through week 52. So for example, you're gonna pick a designated date, either Sunday or Monday, to make a deposit into your envelope. So week 1, you're gonna deposit $1 into that envelope. Week 2, on Sunday or Monday, you're gonna deposit $2 into that envelope, all the way up to 52 weeks. And at the end of those 52 weeks, you're gonna have $1,378 all to yourself. If you wanna be a little bit more aggressive with this challenge, you could put $50 once a week into an envelope 1 through 52. So you see what I'm saying? So this way you're gonna have a lot more money and you're gonna save up $2,600. So you're gonna almost double your money.
Alright guys, some pros of this challenge is you have more time in between deposits. You get more time to accumulate some money to make your deposits. And then along with that, guys, this gets you in the habit of saving. Guys, you have to save money. You need an emergency fund. Let's start practicing good habits now so that we are prepared for the future. As always, guys, we want to hear from you guys. Listen, reach out to us via social media. Reach out to us in the comments below. Let's start conversation. Let us know topics that you want us to discuss. Let us know if we made a mistake or anything throughout any episodes. We want to hear from you guys. We are open to improving this channel. We love constructive criticism. As always, guys, live adventurously. Like, comment, subscribe. The world is yours.
Save yourself some money now.